Dear students, due to some mechanical fault, I couldn't describe about the allegory. So, what is allegory? It is a symbol of nation. It expresses the idea of freedom, liberty, greed, and envy. Envy means irsha through a person or a thing. Allegory has two meanings. One is literal and another is symbolic. प्रतीकात्मक. इसको डिटेल में जानने के लिए आप अपनी टेक्स्ट बुक रीड करिएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मरियान became the allegory of France and Germania became the allegory of German nation. In India also, Bharat Mata is the allegory of the India या India nation. Dear students, now I am going to another important topic, and perhaps it is the last topic of the first chapter, nationalism and imperialism. Nationalism means राष्ट्रवाद, imperialism means साम्राज्यवाद. Dear students, by the last quarter of 19th century, nationalist group became increasingly intolerant of each other, ever ready to go to war. The rivalry among European powers over trade and colonies was increasingly day by day. So why did nationalist tension emerge, come into being in the Balkan region? In the Balkans region, its region is so simple. The nationalist tension emerged in the Balkan regions because of spread of the idea of romantic nationalism, as also the disintegration. Disintegration means विघटन of the Ottoman Empire that had previously ruled over this area. The different Slavic nationalities struggled to define their identity and independence. They were jealous to each other, and every state wanted to more territory. They wanted to expand their territory even at the expense of others. These conflicts ultimately led to the First World War in 1914. Now this chapter is finished here, and I hope you will be understand this chapter. Now at last I would like to convey little message to you. Please try to read and understand this chapter once again. If you have any type of problem, you can contact with me anytime. Thanks.